Okay guys, there's two more clusters I want to show you guys because it is March, and then depending when I throw this video out, it shouldn't be too much longer, March or into April, no longer than that. And the spring's coming, the winter's constellations are leaving, and the spring ones are coming into view. So I want to finish one more or a couple more clusters in the winter side that I think you guys would enjoy. So let me show you on the map. Okay, again, so find the Orion constellation. The three belt stars go up, you know, if you keep following it, goes to the Hades, and if you keep following it up, goes to the Pleiades. But when you reverse, it almost goes down to Ceres, the brightest star in the Dog constellation, which continues on this page. That's like one leg, a second leg. It's a 2D dog, and then there's his tail, and then it does have like a head, but you won't be able to see. It's not as bright. But anyway, we have looked at that. I've showed you guys that. I've showed you guys these two. We didn't see M93. So M93 is not too far. What you could do, if you can see this constellation, now even if you're in a white zone, but if you don't have any street lights and you're fully dark adapted, you should be able to see magnitude 2.8. Shouldn't be too bad. 3.3, which is that star, is getting a little dim, and then 3.3 again. So if you can find that, you can just put your little finder right there, and you should be able to see it. It's 6 magnitude, which is not too, not too bright, not too dim. And just depends on your light pollution, and again, how much street lights you are shining on you. And then again, we've done these two last time. So let's go over to this guy, M48. So M93, M48. Let's see what this one says. It's also a 6 magnitude open cluster, easily seen in binoculars. So we should be able to see it because we have a 12, even though we have lots of light pollution. Many stars in scopes, including striking curved row. Okay, so let's go see if we see that curved row. Now again, the hardest part of this is going to be how to find it. Now on this map, it's just not showing enough constellations. So let's try another one. Okay, so here we have the Orion Nebula right there. Now, there is another nebula over here. However, this one's kind of dim, and M48 is there. Let me take the flash off. There. So this is going to be tricky. On this map, it doesn't show what the magnitude is, but I can't see this constellation from a white zone or from a city. So I don't think you're going to see that. You're going to have to, this one is clearly seen, these two, for sure, in a white zone. So what you could try to do is then try to go down. It's probably going to be about 25 degrees south. Check your map to know for sure. I'm just guessing. If you have a star like a 8x50 finder, a 10x50, it could be like 3 views sideways apart. But that's how you would star hop. You can easily see that. If you could also see the head, you can kind of triangulate like a triangle type of thing. But so again, what you could do is like the distance between these two stars, what you could do is about 4 times. 1, 2, 3, about 4 roughly, and then you might get to it. Let's go try that out. One more time, we're going to use this guy, and a nice clear view. There's Ceres there. I don't know if it's going to catch the Orion constellation, and I think we could just glimpse Venus. Still, you see that right at the edge, right there. That star right there is Venus. Anyway, I got 2 more clusters I want to do, and yeah, I want to show you guys. So let's go try that. Okay guys, so let's get this going. We're gonna try I believe it's 93. Okay, I turned off my ride gel now, which is important. A lot of people burn their batteries when they forget to turn it off. So I'm gonna use the star sense to try to find it easier. Now, the question is, oh no. The problem is, with M93, it's too low and I can't get over my fence. So unless I get a table that's about 3 feet tall or like on a tripod, I'm not going to be able to see it. I could open the gate and try, but I don't want people to see what I'm doing. And then they see I have a big telescope, I'm doing a video, and then they come, you know, that kind of thing later on at night. So, wow, you know what? I can just barely see over the fence. Just barely. Oh boy, what should I do? Okay, I'm gonna go get a table so I can show you guys. So I got my coffee table. The things we do for this hobby, I tell you, there's no other hobby that you have to do this kind of thing for. Okay. Whew. But that's okay. We're gonna look at this cluster, and then after that, the other one, and then I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna relax. Today is Thursday, so tomorrow, bring it right to the edge. So tomorrow is Friday. It's a work night. Hope I don't hit the roof. Okay, let's see if we see this sucker. Oh yeah, now I'm way over the fence now. Okay, I know I'm crazy.
Okay, so it's supposed to be all the way.
I think I need a stool.
Yes. We take this down.
It's also extremely high. I need a stool. I'll be back. Okay. Okay, so it's kind of like a loose cluster. I wouldn't say it's that great, but you know, it's worth it. It's worth a look. It's okay cluster type of thing, but it's really low. So again, if you guys have a Dobsonian and you guys have a fence or anything like that, you're gonna have to do what I'm doing. I don't really like it, but you know, anyway, let's go to the next one. I'm gonna take it off this guy, and M48 is next. So let's do that. Okay, let's go to M48. Let's see, I'll just take a quick peek. Oh, okay, yeah, it's in the eyepiece. Yeah, this one's a little bit, many more stars. Maybe 75, 80, at least that's just visually. Could be a lot more in the actual cluster. Okay, let me try to put the cell phone to this guy and see what we get. Okay, there we go. Let's take a 5-second photo. Let's see if I can edit that better. Okay guys, Joe Jaguar, like, comment, subscribe. I will see you guys on the next video. Share my link with people you want. I got a new membership. Check it out. It's only 99 cents a month, and I got thumbs up on every video. My second phone is dying. It's time for me to make dinner, and that's it. I'll see you guys next time. And remember, when it's clear, go outside. Even if you don't want to, just do an hour. And, you know, that way, if it's not cloudy for another week or two, you won't be so disappointed. Cheers. Why not you? Why not me?